Hey, we're AlphaMind. We've just launched Archmaster, our new generation AI-powered design application. If you're an architect, interior designer, landscape designer, urban planner, or any design-related professional, we invite you to give our app a try. The product is now fully available. Archmaster provides extensive coverage across all major design disciplines, including architectural, interior, landscape, and urban planning design. Whether it's generating conceptual renderings from sketches, creating design visualizations from initial massing models, producing high-fidelity renderings from detailed models, or using photographs for renovation and redesign purposes, Archmaster delivers precise and efficient performance to meet the diverse needs of designers. Moreover, Archmaster boasts the most comprehensive suite of design-focused AI tools on the market. These tools enable full process optimization and modification of design schemes. Features include one-click local modifications, one-click night scene conversion, one-click weather and season changes, one-click furniture replacement, one-click material substitution, image detail enhancement, and image-to video conversion, among others. In summary, if you are a design professional, Archmaster is sure to become an indispensable assistant for you.